Hi there, welcome to the Aeonmed Home Care product series. Today, we'll be looking at the operation of the BiPAP. The installation is pretty easy. Here's the main device, the humidifier. First, connect the humidifier to the main device. Then, press the button behind the main device to make sure the humidifier is connected. This is the power adapter. This is the power cord. Connect the power adapter and power cord together. Next, connect the power cord to the main device. Connect one end of the tubing to the water tank. Finally, connect the other end of the tubing to the mask. This is the end of the installation. Thanks for watching, and remember, we wish you a quality sleep.